when the world was bound in the shackles of slavery, when freedom to live was just a daydream, when the morning and day and evening and night were nothing but the gloomy phrase, then was born a leader so humble, sympathetic, and that led the country towards the needed cure. Yes, I am talking about Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu, who was born on 2nd October 1896 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi has got the title of Father of the Nation not just for free, but he gave his life for the country, for the people of the country, for the need of the country, so that today, when we celebrate his 151st birthday, we remember him for his sacrifices, teachings, and ideas. This day, 2nd of October, is celebrated as his birthday and is being declared as a national. We do remember him for all his good works on this day, especially, but the nation needs to remember the sacrifices and struggles he has made along with his companions to get us what we have. This day should always remind us of the nights that he never slept off, the days that he never ate off, the evenings they were tiring themselves and burning the light lamps to plan how to fight with the colonial rule. This day holds great importance in Indian history and therefore it should hold the greatest importance into the heart of every Indian, especially the youth. The upcoming generation should always remember what our fathers and forefathers have done to make us as a life in the free India, where we can dress up as we like, where we can eat what we like, where we can select our own religion, where we can select our own profession, where we can live as we want to live. This should be the motto and the promise to Bapu on his 151st birthday. Nation needs more Mahatma Gandhi not to fight but to restore peace. With these words, I would like to end here. Thank you